Welcome back everyone. If you're new here today, my name's Victor and today I'm going to be talking about the top way I get video work. So if you know nothing about me, I am a freelance videographer, director, VFX artist, editor, kind of like anything that goes on with a camera. I'll even do photography because thus is the nature of being a freelancer. Especially when you're starting out, you just have to take every job that comes at you if you want to survive if you're doing this full time. And now that I've been doing this for a few years, I've noticed a trend as to how I get most of my jobs and my favorite jobs right now. And it might sound super obvious, but it's simply just creating what you love to create and do it often. So back in April of 2019 was when I went full time with my business. Now fast forward to March 2020, business just, slowed down a bit in March and April. And luckily I had some clients on a retainer and then, every now and then jobs were coming in, but I had a lot of downtime and I had to make a decision, sit on my butt and do nothing, or sit on my butt, think of ideas that are creative and that I find enjoyment out of and push myself to new limits. So in 2020, I grew my VFX knowledge a ton, just tons of tutorials, courses, stuff like that, and just practice. I just practiced making things that I thought was cool. I would sit outside, have a couple drinks, not saying that you need to do that, sit in the sun, listen to music, and just get inspiration. And that's what I want to do. I just want to create dope stuff. So I'd take that idea, I'd execute, I'd post. And for a while, nothing happened. I was getting comments of people saying, oh my gosh, your creativity is going off. This is crazy, this is crazy. But maybe 6 months later, people started sending me my posts that I put on Instagram or my YouTube videos of effects that I had done and told me, I like this effect. Can you do the same for me in my video? And that's how I've gotten all of the VFX work that I've gotten in this last year, which has been at least half. And VFX work's pretty dope too, because you can pretty much do that anywhere in the world. Unless someone needs to get you a physical hard drive, they could mail it, you could get it in person, but you can do that from anywhere. So not only creating what you love to create will help you get work from your network, your followers, or even people who don't follow you just happen to see your work, it will also attract more of the work that you like. So if people think you go off on VFX, guess what? Everyone with VFX needs are now coming to you if they know you and like your work. And the same would go for you if you have a crazy filming style or color grading style or edit style. You should do that, not only just for money, like do it for yourself, make something that you like, this art that you can be proud of, because it may not seem like it at first, but people are watching and they're making note of it. And that's the top way that I get my video work. I hope you found this video helpful, and comment down below what the top way is that you get work. That way people can refer to the comment section to get ideas to get more business. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I would love to have you at this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.